The next step in our visualization process is to take an external CSV file and turn it into a data frame. The reason for this is so that once it's in memory, we can manipulate it and take out data we would not want to use. Reading in data is fairly simplistic. First, we want to set a variable to a string representing the path of the file we want with respect to the current file. Since the file should be in the same folder, the string is just the file name. Next, we will create our data frame. We can call it df for short. To create this, we are using a pandas function called readCSV and inputting the path to our CSV file as a string. To see the result, let's add a simple print statement we can remove later and save our work. In the next video, we will go over running your code to see this print statement.